talking, nigga. I said, ain't no more talking, nigga. I said, ain't no more talking, nigga. I said, ain't no fucking talking, nigga. I've been on the block walking, nigga. I've been on the block stomping, nigga. I'm a dog in this bitch, nigga. I mean, looking at my fist, nigga. Rings, icy rings, nigga. Look at you, you got some motherfucking things, nigga. I got the motherfucking strap, nigga. I'm about to blow your ass back, nigga. Come on, keep fucking with me like that, nigga. Come on, fuck around and see, nigga. Come on, you like a bee, nigga. Yeah, you sting, but you ultimately die, nigga. Me, you sting, but you can get slapped, nigga. Look at me, I got all these fucking raps, nigga. Look at me, I got the strap, it's on my back, nigga. AR-15 going with the beam. AR-15 with bananas on it. I go monkey on the beat, I go bananas on it. All you niggas fucking fake, you a snake and homie. To be real, that's the reason why I be so lonely. But I admit that it's my own choice, and I can't wait till I push the Rolls Royce. I got to make it, I ain't got no fucking choice. Transition to a man from a little boy. I don't think they hear it, say it one time. I went to a man from a little boy. Baby mama squirting on my dick, I call her blast. These niggas really tryna play with my name, now they some sad boys. Going supersonic on this beat, now we some rap boys. Niggas putting out straight garbage, y'all some trash. Okay, so you in your bag, you in a tiny ass tote. Now these niggas ain't stepping, I'm about to put them in a body bag. You know what I'm ripping, I'm from the ratchet, and you know. Alright, cause I'm from the ratchet, I put a hole in the snapback. Bullying niggas, he said to stop, I said to fight back. That's the problem with niggas, you let the world put you on your back, bitch. Come on, stop being bitches. I mean, stop being bitches. I mean, just fucking stop it. I mean, ain't no way that you can top this. I mean, come on back when you can top it. I mean, you lost a battle, just stop it. I mean, I'm on top, I'm on the top, bitch. I mean, bottom, you a bottom, bitch. And by bottom, I mean bottom feeder. And my girl said she was hungry, had to stop and feed her. And the way you flap your mouth, you need a bird feeder. You got convicted for them words and you a whole repeater. Then your bitch go crazy for the charm, I almost had to beat her. I want to win fair and square, I am not a cheater. When you beat a nigga fair and square, you take the heart out. And discourage your niggas, I fuck around and take the dog out. I adapt to situations, I got brains and I got raw power. But most of the time, I say fuck it, it's a gunshot. How you don't know? When you not home, I got your girl shouting. Niggas ain't know the girl a lawyer, now they ask power. Shawty said he on his way, I said okay and went to D-Route. I know where he went, it's a destination. That's heaven or hell, I ain't got nothing to do with that little boy destination. And no, I can't fail, I'm trying to bring peace to this broken nation. I mean, try and bring peace, nigga. I mean, I'm throwing up the piece, nigga. I mean, I'm throwing up the deuce, nigga. I know I got the juice, nigga. I mean, what the fuck you want, nigga? I'm trying to put you on, nigga. I mean, quit being bitches, nigga. I mean, quit being bitches, nigga.
In the mix.